Hey everyone, what's up? In today's video, we're going to turn your little green corner into a natural pharmacy. We're going to discover 10 medicinal plants that you need to have at home. They're easy to care for, make your home more charming, and can even help you live a healthier life. Let's go. Hit that like button down below and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any tips from GuaxoFlix. The first plant on our list is Brazil's darling, Aloe Vera. This plant is known for its medicinal properties and is a true natural treasure. If you burned yourself making coffee, accidentally cut yourself, or have skin drier than a desert, aloe vera is the answer. It's a true wildcard for the skin, helping with healing and hydration. Just cut a leaf, take that magical gel from inside, and apply it directly to your skin. This gel is rich in vitamins and minerals that help regenerate the skin. And it doesn't stop there. Aloe vera also does wonders for digestion. It is excellent for those who suffer from digestive problems. Just take a sip of the gel diluted in water. It helps regulate the intestines and still gives that boost for your immunity to be great. It can also help detoxify the body. But be careful. It is important to consume in moderation, okay? Excessive use can cause undesirable effects. Having an aloe vera at home is the guarantee of always having a natural first aid kit at hand. It is easy to care for and can be grown anywhere. Run to get your aloe vera and share this valuable tip with everyone. Everyone will love having this amazing plant around. And for those who like that nice tea after lunch, our next plant is perfect. Mint, this beauty that perfumes, gives flavor and is still really good for your health. If you have that feeling of a heavy stomach, mint is the solution. It helps relieve gas, indigestion, and even that annoying nausea. And best of all, mint is easier to care for than a grandma's plant. All you need is a pot, a little soil, water, and lots of love. Run to get your mint seedling and share this grandma's secret with everyone. And who has never had a chamomile tea to calm the nerves before bed? Chamomile is perfect for those who suffer from insomnia, anxiety, and stress. And best of all, chamomile can also be used in compresses to relieve skin inflammations. It's like a natural spa at home. It is more resistant than cassava and adapts easily to any environment. Run to guarantee your chamomile seedling and share this powerful tip with everyone. And for those who love to cook, our next plant is a must-have. Basil, this king of the Italian kitchen, which in addition to giving an incredible flavor to dishes, is still a holy remedy. Seriously folks, this beauty has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Headache, basil, sore throat, basil, and the essential oil of basil. This one is magical. Perfect for massaging the temples and relieving the stress of everyday life. Run to get your basil seedling and share this golden tip with everyone. And if you need to take a break from the rush and relax, our next plant is a true guardian angel. Lavender, this little purple beauty that perfumes and soothes even the soul. It helps fight insomnia, anxiety, stress, and still leaves the house with that smell of peace that we love. You can use lavender in many ways. In teas, essential oils, scented sachets, and even in the air freshener. Run to get your lavender seedling and share this relaxing tip with everyone. And for those who need to boost their memory, our next plant is the right choice. Rosemary, this master of concentration and good memory. It helps to improve concentration, focus, and still gives us that boost to remember everything. And it doesn't stop there. Rosemary is also a powerful antioxidant, which helps protect our body's cells against free radicals. Run to guarantee your rosemary seedling and share this expert tip with everyone. And for those who don't give up a tasty and relaxing tea, our next plant is the right choice. Lemon balm, this champion of flavor and well-being. It helps fight stress, anxiety, insomnia, and still leaves us with that good feeling of inner peace. And best of all, lemon balm is more versatile than a Swiss Army knife. You can use it in teas, juices, desserts, and even to scent the house. Taking care of lemon balm is also easy. It adapts well to different types of climate and soil. Run to get your lemon balm seedling and share this relaxing tip with everyone. And if you're looking for a powerful plant to have in your natural pharmacy, sage is the right choice. Besides being easy to grow, it brings numerous health benefits. This beauty is a true arsenal of health benefits. From cooking to natural medicine, Sage is extremely versatile. Seriously, folks, sage has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. This means that it can help protect the body against various diseases. It is unbeatable in fighting throat inflammation, canker sores, gingivitis, and bad breath. A natural mouthwash made with sage can be a great alternative to commercial products, and it doesn't stop there. Sage has even more to offer. Sage also helps relieve menopausal symptoms, such as hot flashes and irritability. Sage tea can be a great ally during this period. Taking care of sage is also a piece of cake. It doesn't require much care and can be easily grown at home. It is a hardy plant and adapts well to different types of climate and soil. Whether in the garden or in a pot on the window, sage will thrive. Run to get your sage seedling and share this powerful tip with everyone. You won't regret having this amazing plant around. And for those who suffer from constant colds and flu, our next plant is a true guardian angel. Thyme, this warrior of the immune system. Seriously, folks, thyme is perfect for fighting coughs, nasal congestion, sore throats, and everything that this time of year brings bad. And best of all, you can use thyme in many ways: in teas, inhalations, homemade syrups, and even as a seasoning. Taking care of thyme is also easy. It is a hardy plant and adapts well to different types of climate and soil. Run to get your thyme seedling and share this powerful tip with everyone. And to close our list with a flourish, we couldn't help but talk about it, right? The amazing and versatile oregano, the king of Italian cuisine, and also a powerful health ally. It is much more than just a seasoning. Seriously, folks, oregano goes way beyond pizza. It can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to soups. It is full of antioxidants, vitamins and minerals that help strengthen the immune system, fight free radicals, and protect the heart. It's a true superfood. And it doesn't stop there. Oregano is also great for digestion and can help relieve stomach problems. Oregano also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help fight infections and keep you healthy. It's like having a little green doctor at home. Taking care of oregano is also a breeze. It doesn't require much effort and grows easily. It is a hardy plant and adapts well to different types of climate and soil. Perfect for any garden or even a pot in the kitchen. Run to guarantee your oregano seedling and share this delicious and powerful tip with everyone. You won't regret having this wonder at home. So, guys, did you like today's tips? See how easy it is to have a natural pharmacy at home? These wonderful little plants, besides doing a lot of good for your health, still make the house more beautiful and fragrant. Run to get your seedlings and start growing your own medicinal garden today. Share this video with everyone. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news, and tell me in the comments which of these plants you already have at home or which one you're dying to have. That's it, folks. A hug from Guaxoflix, and see you next time.